Start.
Hello everyone, I hope you're having a good day. My name is Namrata Mehta and I'm a master's in social work and working in the social development sector for the past 18 years. I have visual impairment and I use technology and rather assistive technology a lot for my work, for my personal use, and I'm going to talk to you about how I use this technology, how the accessibility features work for me, what are the challenges I face, and how can it be made better. So just let me take a few seconds to tell you how it works for me. So there is a screen reading software which I use on my phone. So generally on an iPhone it is called a voiceover and on an Android it's called talkback. On my computers and laptops this is called job access with speech, JAWS. So what these softwares do is that they give everything in a speech feedback, whether it's an icon of an app or a website or an article or in fact image descriptions, which are possible these days with the help of some AI features. Now I'm going to show you few of these apps and how this makes my life easy. Yes. So on the laptop and computer, as I said, I use a screen reading software called JAWS. And one very important thing is that people with visual impairment do not use a mouse. We use keys like tab, arrows, space bars, enters to navigate. Now this is a website of the Asia Pacific Network for Accessibility, and I will show you how I navigate. So I read the name of the website,
Asia Pacific Accessibility and Accessibility,
and then see it is also showing me if I have to increase the font. This is a very important feature of any website for accessibility, because those people who have low vision have the requirement of adjusting the fonts, and if there is a large font option, it really helps people with low vision to access the websites easily. Like I go now, if here you see that there is an image of a logo. Asia Pacific Network for Accessibility has a logo, and in any image it is important to add alt text which describes the image. Now if you can hear
this image is a logo of Asia Pacific Network for Accessibility. It was written in a white font over a purple background.
So it says it is written in purple on a white background, so I can read it. Now if I keep moving, like these are the links like home,
link
about APNA,
link app the team,
APNA team,
link activities,
link
events.
So these I can read, and if I have to go on any link, I just have to press enter and I go here, right? So generally what happens in a website is that there are headings, there are buttons, there are drop boxes, there are check boxes. So these all need to be accessible, and we use specific keys to navigate through these. If there are some buttons which are unlabeled, I'm not able to read what is in it, I will not be able to move further. I wouldn't know where that button will take me. So labeling every button, having links properly tagged is very important, because if we are not hearing it, we can't use it. So that is how on a website or any app for that matter, it is very important for it to be compatible with screen readers And all the updates should also be compatible with screen readers. Like sometimes it happens that a website, when it gets a new update, it stops being accessible with a screen reader, which becomes an accessibility issue for us again. So I'm going to now tell you about an app which is called Be My Eyes. It is very, very useful for people like us. So there are two features. One in which there is an AI feature. We take a picture of anything and it describes. For example, if I have to read a name of the medicine, or I use this app a lot to, check the temperature once we take it from the thermometer. So these are few things that really makes life very convenient, and I feel very independent with this. Now another feature is when we call a volunteer. So what happens is, sometimes if I need to switch on my washing machine and select a particular option, or I have to use a particular option in my microwave and I need some assistance to select it, I call a volunteer, and that person is means they could be in any part of the world. They can't see us. They will only see what we are trying to show them. The camera always faces the objects and not us, so it also takes care of the privacy and safety of the users. And then they tell us and they assist us with whatever help we need. Like, sometimes I use their help to set timer on my egg boiler, microwave, washing machine, and many such things. Now I'll show you how the AI feature works on this app.
12:25 p.m. Weather, Amazon Music, Baby Center.
ठीक है, तो करें शुरू. So this is the app, and I will take a picture.
Take picture button. Take picture. Analyzing picture.
So
Please
it
wait.
is trying to describe it for me.
A brochure or booklet lying on a dark reddish-brown wooden surface. The visible part of the cover shows a logo near the top that reads Samarthayam, Center for Universal Accessibility. To the right of the logo is a small circular symbol that says 35 years. Below that, the text reads, a 35-year from compliance to celebrated leader. Your
So
roadmap
that's
for-
how it works.
Yes.
So one of the most important thing is that a visually impaired knows how to use currencies. So there is this app called Money, and by keeping the currency under the camera, we recognize the currency. If you can hear, this is how it works. So first I am going to show you how I use e-commerce websites.
Amazon.
So if you can hear, I go to Amazon.
Amazon.
Suppose
Search
I have
or
to
ask a question.
buy
Search.
diapers for my toddlers. Then I'm searching.
A-M-M-E-R. Delete. R. P-P-E-E-R-R-S-S. Search.
Here.
Back. Button.
Then I
Search
go
for
to
pen.
the option.
Search for explore image. Eric word lines. Container headings.
I have to move
Results.
heading wise,
Heading
so I
Pampers.
go
Heading
to
level 2. Link.
Pampers.
And back. Button.
Then I
Pampers. View
keep
Pampers.
moving like this. Keep
Media
moving
cover.
like
Partial
this
show.
and
Selected size is medium.
select
Tab to
a size.
expand.
See
Button.
if you can hear.
Expanding.
I can search a size here. Then I keep moving and find the buy button.
Newborn page to M price history and over 8 order 11 HRF full detail delivered to use July instant one add to cart buy now ships
So
buy
I
now,
can
button.
go to buy now then, and this is how I keep moving,
Image.
and then
Image.
also
Cancel.
go to the
Image. Cancel but get flat in pay Google credit at an on one cash. No, a gift
Like
card or
your,
promo code.
if you can hear everything, all the icons which my fingers are touching. So now if suppose it doesn't work, it doesn't read, the screen reader doesn't know how to pronounce these things, and the app is not compatible with the screen reader, I will not be able to reach the right option and will not be able to shop. So I go
Place your
here.
order, heading level
Now
1.
from
Check this
here
box.
I can
Pay with credit
I
card,
can
star,
go
star,
to my
6000.
credit card
Pay with
option
credit
and
card, star, star,
pay
6000.
and then
Back button.
buy the things I need. So this is a glimpse of how assistive technology works for a person with visual impairment, how it makes work and personal life easy. I hope this helped you to understand accessibility in a better way and will also be useful in your work in making apps, websites and its features more useful. Thank you so much.